Good morning, students. Today's topic, which we are going to start in mathematics, is the conversion between different units. This is one of the very important topic as far as mathematics paper is concerned, particularly paper 1. So the units of the lengths are: in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, and in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. And because in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so that's why 1 kilometer will be equal to 100,000 centimeters. So look now, if we take the square of both sides, so 1 square will be 1 centimeter, squares will be centimeter square, and because we have taken the square of the left side, take the square of the right side as well. So 10 into 10 will be there, and millimeter. So 1 centimeter square will be equal to 10 into 10 millimeter square. Likewise, if we take the square of the left side, that will be equal to 1 meter square, because 1 square is 1 and meter square will be 1 meter square. So we have to take the square of the right side as well. So 100 into 100 centimeter square will be the answer. Likewise, if we take the square of the left side, so 1 square will be 1, kilometer square will be kilometer square. We have to take the square of the right side as well. So 1000 into 1000 will be there, and meter square will be there. Okay, now look, 1 million meter square is equal to 100 hectares. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So this is these are some concepts which you have to remember. Units of the volume: 1 meter cube is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. This is the same way which we have done previously, like this. If we take the square of the left side, we have to take the square of the if we take the cube of the left side, we have to take the cube of the right side as well. So 1 centimeter cube will be equal to 10 into 10 into 10 millimeter square. So this is the thing. So 1 meter cube is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. And because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, so that's why this will be equal to 1000 centimeter cube as well. And 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. So these are some very important concepts which you have to remember to solve the questions of the unit conversions. So now we are going to solve a question. Express 85 centimeter squares in meter squares. So in 1 meter square there are 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square is equal to this 10,000 will come to the left side. So 1 over 10,000. And we are going to require the value of the 85 centimeter square. So 85 centimeter square will be equal to this one. So solve it on the calculator, you will get the answer. The statement of the question is: express 36 centimeter square in meter square. So the method to solve this kind of question is, listen carefully. The thing which is required should be placed on the right side. Like in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters, because centimeters and meters are involved. So put the value which is required on the right side and the thing which is given on the left side. So now, because the units are in meters, in square units, so we will take the square of both sides. The square of 100 will be 100 multiplied by 100. This will be now in centimeter square, because square of 100 is this and centimeter square is this. On the right side, take the square of 1, that is 1, and unit will be in meter square. Okay, from this step, find the value of 1 centimeter square. So this 10000 will go to the right side in the denominator, So this is the thing now. And the requirement is 36 centimeters square. So multiply 36 on both sides. So 36 over 10000 meters square. So these are actually 4 zeros. So point from here will go to 4 points to the left. So 0.0036 meter square is the answer. This is the same thing. Follow the same steps. Like the thing which is required should be placed on the right side, and the thing which is given on the left side. So in 1 centimeter we are having 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters will be equal to 1 centimeter. Again, square units are given, so take the square of the both sides. So 10 multiplied by 10, because this is the square of the 10, and this will be millimeter square. Square of the 1 is 1, and this will be centimeter square. Now take the value of 1 millimeter square. This 100 will go to the right side, and now find the value, that is 8.2 millimeter square. Multiply the right side with the 8.2 as well. So 1 is having 2 zeros, so point will go 2 points to the left. So answer will be 0.082 centimeter square. This is the answer. So these parts are again same. These are meters and centimeter square. This is almost the same part. I'll do this part for you people. Kilometer square is the requirement. So in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So 1000 meters will be equal to 1 kilometer. Square units are given. Take the square of both sides. So 1000 multiplied by 1000 meter square. Take the square of the right side as well. So 1 kilometer square. Now take the value of 1 meter square. So this 1000 into 1000 will go to the right side. Kilometer square. So the requirement is now 39.4. So multiply 39.4 on both sides. So there are 6 zeros with 1, so point will move to 6 points to the left. So the answer will be 0.0000394, and with it unit will be kilometer square. These parts are same again, only the difference is units are now in cubic units. So the thing which is required will be placed on right side, and the thing which is given on the left side. So in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. So look now, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Because the units are now in cubic units, so we will take the cube of both sides. So cube stands for, this will be written 3 times because we are taking the cube. Unit will be centimeter cube. On the right side we will take the cube as well. 1's cube will be 1 and unit will be meter cube now. So now 1 unit, so 1 centimeter cube. These 3 hundreds will go to the denominator on the right side. So 6 zeros will be with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unit is meter cube. So we are going to find this value. So multiply this value on the left side and right side as well. 2730, and 3 zeros are more on it. So 2730 for the 3 zeros, and in denominator we are having 6 zeros with 1. So 4 zeros will be cancelled. So now we have 2 zeros with 1. So point will move from 2 places to the left side, so 2.73 will be the answer. Unit will be meter cube. This is the same thing. Meter cube should be placed on the right side, and liter should be placed on left side. So in 1 liter we are having actually 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so these are actually centimeter cubes, but we want to move to the meter cube. So we are moving from smaller to bigger unit, so we will divide the value. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, so 100 will be divided 3 times with the value. So this is in meter cube now. So 1 liter is equal to this, so we are required 495, so multiply the value with 495. So 495 multiplied by 1000 divided by 6 zeros with 1. So 3 zeros will be cancelled from here. So 3 zeros are left. So point will move to 3 places to the left side. So 0.495 meter cube is the answer. Here is another question. Hectare and meter square are interrelated. In 1 hectare there are 10,000 meters square. So we will start from here. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Okay. 6.1 hectare is required. This is a very simple question. Just multiply 6.1 on both sides. So this is these are 4 zeros, so point will move towards right 4 places. So 61,000 meter square. This is the answer. Okay. Here is the reverse of the previous question. So hectare and kilometer square. So we know in 1 hectare there are 10,000 meter squares. In 1 hectare. So first we will convert this meter square into kilometers. So we are going from smaller to bigger units, so we have to divide the value. So this 10,000 will remain as it is. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters, so 1000 will be divided 2 times because square unit is there. It will be in kilometer square now. On the right side we are still have 1 hectare. Okay, now shift these values to the right side, and okay, first 1 kilometer square will be equal to 6 zeros with 1 and 4 zeros with 1 on in the denominator. So this is in hectares. Okay, now the requirement is 98.8. So multiply 98.8 on both sides. So these 4 zeros will be cut, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when 98.8 will be multiplied with 100. So point will move towards 2 places towards right. So 9880 hectares. So this is the answer.